My name is Dr. Stephen Laversa. I'm the owner dentist of All About You Dental Care, and practice has been here since 2010. We have 6 employees in the office, 2 full-time hygienists. We see anywhere from 2-year-old kids to, I think our oldest patient is 103. From a business owner's perspective, I'm looking to keep my environment clean. We've got aerosols, we've got drills, we've got particulates that are in the air, we've got kids that are coming in with colds. So I'm looking to keep it healthy. I'm looking to keep it healthy for my staff, for my patients, and for myself. On the commercial side, I had placed HEPA filters into my central unit, and just not really knowing if that's really effective or not. Then the unit shuts down because they restrict airflow, so I knew I had to do something else. And that's where I found the AeraMax. So we ended up installing 7, 8 units in the office, in front desk area, lab areas, in all of the patient operatories. On the counter surfaces and in the operatories, I don't get a dust at the end of the day. I have the sense that I know that it's cleaner because I don't have those particles, I don't have the dust on the countertops. I know they're working. I can tell off of the surfaces that things are cleaner. I know I've got the HEPA filtration going on. I know my air quality is better. They're staying.